Welcome everybody. Today I'm gonna do a little tier list ranking of all of the Sonic games, from my favorite to my least favorite. Got a lot of people asking me what my favorites and my least favorites are, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Oh boy, this is a big lot. Let's begin. Okay, so Sonic the Hedgehog 1. This is a bit of a mixed for me. See, usually people would put it at like S, A, B, something like that. I'm gonna put it at C, because this thing, I mean, while it was good for its time, and it even took down Mario at the time of Mario High. This game is just so bland nowadays. And by the way, I'm going off of a perspective of now, not when they released, now. So I can give everything all the way up to most recent a fair judgment. This, Tales and the Music Maker, I've seen a bit of this. I'm putting that at E. It's just a spin-off. Sonic Jam, D. What's that? I don't even know what that is, so I'm just going to put that there. That's Sonic CD. While most people would put it at like a D or an E, I'm going to go ahead and put that at an A, because I personally really enjoyed that game. Sonic Pinball. Ew. Disgusting. Sonic Advance 3. Okay, so we're not going in order here, but Sonic Advance 3. Alright, I'm gonna put that in A. Sonic Free Riders, B. Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Okay, while I don't like the first one, the second one is an absolute masterpiece. That goes in an S rank. Knuckles' Chaotix. Not a lot of people like this one, actually. I'm a decent fan of it, but I think it's gonna go with the original game. Sonic and Mario at the London 2012 Olympics. I hate these games so much. Sonic Advance, the first one. This, honestly, I think it's gonna go in an S. No, you know what? It's gonna go with Advance 3. This would be... Is that Adventure 2 Battle? Or is Adventure 2 Battle somewhere else? No, this is Sonic Battle. I think I'm gonna put that at D. Sonic Blast, E. There. Sonic J. The Sega Saturn version of Sonic Jam. Just put that with Sonic Jam. Sonic Mania. Sonic 06. Okay, this controversial little son of a gun. Well, let me put him back. So, Sonic 06, a lot of people don't like it. I mean, duh. But, personally, I'm sorry. I kind of, it's not as good as, okay, so I love the story of this thing. It's like one of my favorite stories, if not my favorite story. The soundtrack is also amazing. And with Sonic P06 replaying this game, and, like, no glitches, well, almost no glitches, and the controls are better, I really gotta put this game here. That's gonna do something. Me doing that. It's it's gonna. I don't know what's gonna happen to me. Sonic the Hedgehog 4. You can put that there. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games, whenever that is. There, because that one was a decent one. I think I played that on my Wii U. Sonic Advance 2. This one sucks. I'm putting that there. I've never even played that one. That's like, it says Sonic N, so I don't even know what that is. Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I think there's some like port of that game. I don't even know at this point. Oh, that's a Master System. Gotta say, I didn't really like this one. Sonic Adventure. There you go. Sonic Adventure DX. You can put that. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. This one, E. Sonic Chronicles. I actually kind of enjoyed this one. I'm gonna put it at B. I think this is like maybe the Japanese version or something of Sonic the Hedgehog 3. Sonic the Hedgehog 3, I personally love this game. But I think this is just, I don't think that this is 3 and Nux. So I'm going to put this one down here. Actually, you know what? Right here. My favorite Sonic game of all time. There you go. Sonic the Hedgehog 1. This looks like the first one's Master System. I think I'll put that with it. Sega Superstars. That one is down there. Sonic Unleashed, the Wii port. I didn't really like this one at all. The Wii kind of sucks, not gonna lie. Sonic Shuffle. I did play a bit of this one. Let's put it in C. Sonic in the Lego Dimensions thingy. This was decent. I did play this. I'll put it at B. Sonic Adventure 2 Battle. There you go. Sonic Mega Collection Plus. This was a decent collection. I think I'll put it at B. Sega Superstars Tennis. Again, I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Sonic Rush Adventure. I'll put that in D. Sonic Boom Fire and Ice. Sonic Generations. I don't even know what this is. So I'm just going to exclude it. Sonic Lost World. I actually kind of like this one. I'm going to put it at A. Mario and Sonic, the Olympic Games. The Winter Olympic Games. The Winter Olympic Games one was actually decent. I think I'm going to put it at C. Hold up. Let me just put that down there since I'm not going to be doing it. Sonic Classic Collection. That wasn't bad. It's better than that. Mario and Sonic at the Rio 2016 Olympic Games. Sonic Generations Xbox 360 port. That is godly. Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal. That's also terrible. Sonic Colors, the original one. There we go. Sonic Mania. I think this is Sonic Mania Plus. Sonic Riders Zero Gravity. This was by far the best Sonic Riders game. At least in my opinion. Sonic Sega All-Stars Race. Mario and Sonic at the London Olympic Games. Didn't I? Yeah, it's down there. Sonic Colors Wii port. This wasn't bad, but it wasn't good. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Winter Games for the Wii. Yeah, okay. Well, this one, yeah, there we go. Mario and Sonic at the Rio 2016 Olympic Games. Down there. Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric, that sucked. Team Sonic Racing Transformed also sucks. The Sonic Lost World Wii U port. Pile of shit. Team Sonic Racing, also a pile of shit. Sonic CD for Steam, I believe. I think this is a Steam release. Robotnik's Mean Beam Machine. Just kidding. That'll go in the B. Sonic Drift 2. Fine. I'll go in D. Another port for Mean Bean Machine. E. Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games. I'm not sure what that's for. I hate those games either way. Sonic Wacky World. I've never played this. Sonic Spinball sucks. Sonic Triple Trouble. Beyond popular belief, I like this. What the hell is this? Why are there just a couple of JPEGs of Sonic? Like that. Wait. I think that this is some of those mobile running games. Well, I know where they're all going. That is also a mobile running game. Let's just get this out of the way real quick. That is Sonic Dash. Ew. Disgusting. Blood boil after that. Anything else? Any other runners? Any other runners? Any other free runners that I have to take care of real quick? No? No? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, next. Sonic Drift also really sucks. Sonic 3 and Knuckles. There you go. There's my honest opinion. Okay, not even sure, can't even read that. Oh, Sonic Labyrinth. Like the Hedgehog game. No, Sonic Forces, Doggy. Sonic Heroes, D, no. C, Sonic Adventure 2. Sonic Jam. did I do? Oh, I meant to go down here. Sonic 4 Episode 2. It's one above its others. Sega years, that sucks. Genesis Collection for the PlayStation 2. This was not bad. It wasn't good either, but that's a Japanese title. I can't read that. Shadow the Hedgehog. Beautiful. S rank immediately. Sonic Spinball also sucks. I think this is like the Japanese version of Sonic 1. No, this here. This is this Japanese for Sonic 2. I'll put that there. Sonic 3D Blast. Also Sonic 3D Blast. Sonic and Knuckles. Okay, Sonic and the Black Knight, I actually personally really love this one. I'm gonna put that at A. Sonic and the Secret Rings, sucked. Sonic Compilation, meh. Sonic Mega Collection, I like that one, I liked that one. It's pretty good. Sonic Riders, the original, this was actually pretty fun. Sonic Rivals 2. E. Sonic Rivals, D. Sonic R. Don't tell anybody I did that. Sonic Rush. Yeah. Sounds about right. That's pretty good. Sonic Chaos. B. Genesis, I'm gonna put that at S. Sonic X, I'm not even sure if this is a game, but okay. Sure. Sonic Pocket Adventure, D. Sonic Schoolhouse, A. Sonic the Fighters, oh, I accidentally dropped that there. Sonic the Fighters, A. Tails' Adventure, C. Tails, whatever that says, I'll put it in E. I also don't know what that says. I don't know what that says either. Sega Sonic Popcorn Shop. There we go. Okay, so there's my official... There's my official tier list, everybody. I'll put a link to it so you can check it out. But, yeah. Hope you enjoy. Bye.